Hi, good day, Ma'am Catherine Caballero. Can you tell me about yourself?
Hi, I'm Catherine Caballero. I'm 43 years old. I live in Pasig, Metro Manila. I have five kids, and I have 26 years old, the elder, and the youngest is 16 years old.
All right. So please tell me your educational background.
I'm graduated as a high school graduate here in Philippines in Cayugan, Pasig City.
Okay. So what is your marital status? Are you single or married?
I'm actually separated.
Okay. So do you have any brothers or sisters?
Yes, I do have two brothers, and the eldest sister is already deceased.
Okay. So how would you describe yourself?
I describe myself as a loving mother, a caring mother, and a loving daughter.
Okay. So why do you want to apply abroad?
I just want to apply in abroad because looking forward for the future and also for my family, my children, and also for my future grandson.
Okay. So do you have any work experience abroad?
Yes, I work way back in 2021 in Saudi Arabia.
So did you finish your contract in Saudi?
No, I didn't finish because of the my madam or my employer.
Okay. So, what is your duties and responsibilities as domestic helper in Saudi?
My duties is cleaning, ironing, laundering, and taking care of the three children
Okay. So, do you
and
have
cooking
any?
also.
All right, thank you. And then, do you have any work experience here in Philippines?
Yes, I also worked housekeeping way back in 2017 until 2019.
Okay. So, please tell me your duties and responsibilities as housekeeping here in Philippines.
I work at cleaning a toilet, cleaning the lobby, mopping, and also do floor finishing and replacing the toilet paper
Ah,
as needed.
okay. So, are you willing to take care of small children, newborn baby, or elderly person abroad?
Yes, madam.
Okay. So how will you take care of naughty children and children with temper tantrums?
I need to have a long patient.
Okay. So are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, I really love pets.
Okay. So are you willing to take care of pets, even big dogs?
Yes.
Okay. How do you describe your cooking skills?
I really love cooking for me as a mother, and I rate myself as 1 to 10, so I rate myself as 10.
Okay. So are you willing to learn new dishes abroad?
Yes.
Okay. So do you have any food allergy?
No, I don't have.
Okay. So, do you have the full consent of your family to go and work abroad?
Yes, they really know.
All right. So, do you promise not to use your cell phone during working hours?
Yes, I promise.
Do you promise to be honest and loyal to your employer?
Yes, I promise.
Okay. Do you drink alcohol?
No,
How about smoking?
no.
Do you have any body tattoo?
Yes, I have.
Mm-hmm. Is it visible?
Not visible.
Okay. So do you have any history of surgery or serious sickness in the past?
I have history a surgery way back in 2012
Mm-hmm.
because of appendicitis.
All right. So way back 2012.
Yes.
Okay. So are you willing to share a room with the children?
Yes, no problem.
Okay. Are you willing to work during day off and employer will pay you overtime?
Yes.
All right. For the last question, Ma'am Catherine, what is your final message to your future employer abroad?
Hi, Madam and Sir. My name is Catherine Caballero. I promise to finish my contract, and I promise I will love your children or your pets, and I will promise to finish my contract until 2 years.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you.